Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Headies, ẹ̀mẹ́ta mo pè yín, yẹn ilẹ̀ fowó pé wèrè, ẹ̀dẹ̀ sì máa rí wèrè ti tẹ̀sẹ̀ bọ́ bàtà yín, wàhálà musician. Headies ọdún yìí ó máa lọ fà gan, ó máa búùmù gan. Una don nominate madman musician. Street dey take over. Kò sí wàhálà bẹ́ẹ̀, kò sí ìjà bẹ́ẹ̀. We no fight, we just dey talk am ní say Akoi space, make dem give us space.
Hi guys, how you doing today? Yes, it's your girl Lollipop, and I've got an interesting funny gist for you. It's about Portable Abibu Kikiola Omolalomi. Yes, that's Willie Olori, the guy that get down for head. Na crazy they call him. He has apologized. So some hours ago, he made a death threat to whoever win his category. That if he doesn't win, that whoever wins it is going to kill the person. Shut up, Willie Lenkasi. The guy, you need to see how he apologized. You need to see this video. Watch this video. Do you know what he said? He said, hey, Headies, ẹ̀mí ló mọ̀ pé yín ẹ̀mẹ́ta. He say ẹ bínú, ẹ jẹ́ má bínú. Na that guy una dey just dey count the word. In fact, the guy dey craze. He get time for. He say ẹ̀yin lẹ fi owó pe wèrè olórin náà, kí lẹ expect? I like this guy. The guy get time for head, no be small. He get time for pocket, no be small. I like the guy. The guy is just, his words is just, you don't take him serious, and whatever he says, just overlook it. So Headies, zazu, Portable, OTZ, he has apologized concerning the death threat he made concerning whoever wins is the category, the awards he was nominated for. So he said whoever wins it is going to be dead. But now he said it's just a play. So just joke thing. The guy jokes a lot. He's a funny guy. So the organizer of Headies Award, I beg you now, forgive him. Guys, you need to watch. Don't let me say much. Just watch this video and see his apology. You will laugh. If you no laugh tire, come and touch my nose here. You come and touch my nose. If you no laugh, come and touch my nose. Yeah.